And welcome to 5 Minute Fitness. My name is Chelsea and I'm with the Volusia County Public Library at the Hope Place branch. Today I'm going to show you 5 basic exercises that you can use to build up your own workout routine. As a disclaimer, I am not a professional and you should always consult your doctor or health professional before doing any exercises. So if you will stand up with me, let's get started. Our first exercise is the well-known jumping jack. So we're going to start with our feet together and our hands at our sides. Now we're going to jump, putting our feet apart and simultaneously raising our arms up at the same time. So like this. And then putting your feet back together and your arms at your sides. So we're going to do 5 of these together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And those are 5 jumping jacks. For our next exercise, we're going to be doing a squat. So you're going to put your feet shoulder length apart, and then you're going to raise your arms up to your shoulders, and then you're going to bend your legs without lifting your heels from the ground into a squatting position. So from the side, it looks about like this. You're going to want to keep your back as straight as possible and keep your heels on the ground. So we're going to do 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is what a squat looks like. The next exercise that we're going to do together is a push-up. I can't do a push-up, but I will show you the push-up position and then show you what you're going to do when you go down. So you're going to want to get on the ground in this position with your hands planted firmly underneath your shoulders and your feet in the back like this. You want to keep your back straight as you're going down. I can't do a push-up, so I'm going to do the modified version, which puts my knees on the ground with my ankles crossed, my hands planted in front of me, and we're going to go down and then back up. So we're going to do that 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's push-ups. For our next exercise, we're going to be doing a plank together. So just like the push-up position, you're going to be with your back flat, but you're going to put your elbows on the ground. And again, make sure your back is straight. We're going to hold this for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is how you do a plank. Thank you guys so much for joining me here today. Remember, after any exercise or workout, you need to do stretches and cool down exercises in order to help your body relax. Remember to follow us on YouTube at Volusia Teens Read and check out our Instagram at Volusia Reads. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.